Welcome back to RBC Talk. So this video is very short video and this explains about how to use volume trend, right? Exactly when we should be using this and how effectively we can get something out of this, right? Okay. See, overall, if you look at the entire day, market seems to be falling. And whenever there is a monthly high is touching, it is reversing. Yeah, exactly reaching the monthly low. And we all know that it's going to be support. But if you look at overall from the top, right? So this market, so it keep falling. This level is there. This level should act as a support, but there is a breakdown. This level should act as a support, right? Monthly high, but there is a breakdown. Again, it try to come down, it try to go up. Again, this keep happening, right? When the market is actually, minus 1.62% down, which is a huge, right? So, and in one day, mainly because of the virus effect, and there is a panic created, and there is a continuous fall. So, should we actually take anything, on a CE side, for example, take a scenario. It is not at all advisable, right? But there's still opportunities. Every minute there will be an opportunity if we understand the market correctly, right? So here I want to just give in a one or two examples so that you can use the script effectively. That is the intention. I mean, if you look at this script, some of you are actually complaining about, hey, I'm not able to use the script. See, there are two options in this script. One, for the people who had a subscription from a trading view, you can actually get the data, the volume information for every second-based information, at 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds kind of a thing. For the people who don't have a premium subscription, the data is like based on a minute by minute kind of a thing. Okay, so for that, you need to enable in the options. For example, let me actually add the script so that I show you. So if you go and see this one, okay, I added it again. So if you go and see the settings here, there is an inputs premium subscription. If you remove this, I want basically intentionally I kept both of these. Okay, so the one what I'm using here is with the premium subscription. The one you are using is without a premium subscription. If you see there may be some difference here. Okay, so if you see maybe in the same candle, I see there is a 19% in a different color. You see in a minus 18%. If you see here at the red minus 61%, I see a 10%, right? So there is a difference here. So we'll talk about that. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so this is the data I'm using in a premium subscription. So let's have a quick look at this one. Okay, see, this is the fall I'm seeing. I'm actually waiting for a trade. Will there be any opportunity once the price touch the monthly low? Will there be any reversal or not? So for me to take the trade, I need to make sure, yes, there are more buyers. People are trying to push the price up. That is all I want a confirmation, right? So if I zoom it a little, you see this is a red candle, the red candle, and then the green candle. There is a 36% of buyer's high. See, first thing, if a red candle, seller's volume is more, it will be red. A green candle, buyer's volume is more, it's green. But if a red candle, if instead of sellers, buyer's volume is more, then it will be in a different color. The same way in the green, overall sellers are more, but the candle is green, then it will be in a blue color. That's how I understand. A reverse one is in a blue color, otherwise it's the same color. Now you see, if price is going up, you see back to back, there is a good buyer's percentage here, 42%, 49%, 27%. This has come down. You notice this one from 42, 49, 27 because the buyers is like, dominated by sellers. Sorry. The sellers are actually dominating here. So they are able to push the price down and you see only 1% overall buyers are more here. Okay. But because of this, so price keep coming. Okay, it's 36%. They try to push it up, but here the price is coming down back to back four candles. You see this one, the green, the overall buyers are more, sellers are more, buyers are more, buyers are more. So I look at back to back from here to here, overall buyers are dominating here, right? See, that is my analysis. It may trade. This is how I do my own analysis. Based on it, the LTF lower time frame data, what trading view gives. So I subtract buyers minus sellers and that's how I get the data. You can see the code, right? Openly I shared in the Google Drive and I given the link to you, so you can copy the script and then add it to your trading view, right? So here I see the back-to-back, all the candles are on a dominating with the buyers, number of buyers. Now you see when there is a reversal, this is what we are waiting for, right? This is the level, right? So when I see there is a possible reversal, it tried to go up, but it has been pushed up, and with a good 37%. For me, I had actually taken this 23,500 CE. No hesitation. Of course, there is a stop loss somewhere, maybe, some 10 points is my stop loss from here. That too, when I see a closure happens, I'm not taking a trade when this goes down. No predictions. When I see price goes down and then comes back and I close this candle opens in a green, right? And that is the time I taken a trade. And you see this good upside push with a 60% buyer volume. And you see the price somewhere here, 23,578. And quickly it went up somewhere here, right? Back to back three candles. And when I see this red candle, yeah, so that's good enough for me because it's a 40 from 577 to this one. It's almost like 70 points. I got this. That's good enough, right? A quick trade before the end of the day. This is if you effectively look at like 240, and I closed it somewhere here. That's what I talked about, like mentioned in the group, uh, showing these volumes and sharing this information. And also I shared the script. I thought in case if you guys are actually trying to explore, use the script. Maybe be cautious. Spend some time understanding. So randomly you look at this one, right? The price going up, you see in a positive candles here. Even though it's a red candle, this green candle, you see the price is being pushed down, more dominating sellers here, right? And if you look at this back to back, this one, this is a green candle, but here you see in a red reversal here. The next candle is not able to cross this very, very low bias. It's a kind of a fight, right? That's why this doji, the price it opened here, closed it here. And then the price is being pushed. So you see back to back red candles. So overall sentiment is negative. So unless you see a good back-to-back buy here, you see alternate candles. So this is not a place for an entry, even though there is a monthly high. Okay, so explaining today morning chart in the evening is the easiest thing in the world. But during the market, understanding this, all this comes with practice, buddy. I'm not saying this, or nobody is an expert here. You need to have some practice, go through the chart for some time, and then you'll be able to make it out. Okay, look at the code. It's very easy to understand. All I'm doing is actually, buyers, sellers, calculate it with a lower time frame and sum it up for each candle and then keep subtracting it. And then I'm displaying it for the easy understanding. Okay, hope this will help you to use the script during the market time. In case if you had any questions, feel free to ping me on my WhatsApp number or on a YouTube. I'll help you. Okay, thank you very much.